at Atlanta Motorsports Park. We are doing some Skidpad training with Randy POBST.
Hello Gearheadgirl 69 fans, this is Randy POBST. We're doing a little Skidpad training today, which is completely focused on learning how to correct a slide that's too big. Here, it's very slippery. We're going like 14 miles an hour. Eyes in. I get a little slide. Right. Pause, recover. And that's how you do it. CPR. I'm not talking about getting your heart going again, although it'll get your heart going for sure. Correct, pause, recover. So if you come into a corner and the car slides out, it gets sideways on you, you correct the steering. If you catch it, there'll be a pause. You'll stop the slide. When you stop the slide, your wheels are turned a lot. Straighten them back out again, and it's all over, and you go on your happy way, and everybody's impressed with your driving. The whole time, look where you want to be. That's the basis of correcting slides that are too big and driving safely. We're on the Skidpad with Gearheadgirl, and I've asked her to establish a point on the circle where the wheel does not move. Now add a little bit of power. That sound is understeer, and we got understeer because we've transferred weight back. So add power. You go out wide, let off. What's happening now?
You tighten up.
We're tightening up. Why?
Because the weight's back on the front and the front's doing the steering.
When you slow down, weight transfers
to the front.
To the front. And how does the front grip get?
It gets better.
Gets better. Whenever you have understeer, you want to transfer weight forward and it'll improve the front grip because the load is traction. Looking in the whole time. So I corrected. It took a long time to stop the slide, but I stopped the slide. And when I stopped the slide, the car paused for a moment. That's when I recovered the steering. And the whole time, looking where you want to be, which in this case is right in there. We have like an imaginary corner. We're going around here. Always look where you want to be. Correct, catch it, there's a pause, and recover the steering. And go on home. You'll be just fine.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or ghg69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.